right, everybody, we're headed up to the Black Smoke Matters.
That's it, Black Smoke Matters.
Black Smoke Matters event. I keep wanting to throw life in there. Well, you know, Black Smokers' lives matters.
That's not it.
That's just not it.
I can't take them anywhere.
And, you know, things come out wrong. My mouth works backwards and upside down. It's a hodgepodge world. Let's go up there now. It's snowing pretty good. It's supposed to quit, though. We're not afeared. All right, guys, let's take this adventure. Yeah. We're a couple of miles to the end of the smoky event, but we're trapped in traffic, as you've seen on the GoPro. It's just a wall. It's a solid wall of trucks. I'm sure most of them have no clue what they're in with, but you know, it's still a wall of brotherhood, right? Hey. Maybe we can get up here and do an interview. Hopefully they've set a little time aside for such things as interviews. That would be great.
There's people in town recording and stuff too, and they said there was police and reporters and just other random trucks and people. The truck stopped waiting on them.
Well, good deal, people.
So.
Okay, everybody, this is after the video. The video interview we did with the Black Smoke guys is probably too big. I'll probably have to upload it singularly.
Couple videos.
Things all by itself. Separate from this, you know.
This vloggy vlog?
Yeah, it's this talky talk, right? But it was really productive, and they were some really nice guys. They were good old hands, we would call them. Definitely, wasn't they? Yeah. They wasn't out to cause no trouble, be bad.
They blocked one lane. Well, they didn't block one lane. They went the minimum legal speed limit in one lane. Then it started snowing anyway.
They had a slow road, and it was okay.
And the police escorted them.
And they were all nice guys. So we came over here to the Cracker Barrel afterwards to partake of their excellent food. And it was very good. Too bad you wasn't here to enjoy it, as the girl did.
I like the crack house.
You the crackhead. You're a funny girl.
Did you tell them that our plates are on the way? We have confirmation.
They are in the mail.
We'll be back to work soon.
Yeah.
Knock on wood.
What actually happened was when I went in 16 days ago and ordered my plates, and they said, "You're good. You're good to go. They'll be in the mail tomorrow." Well, somehow they had a computer glitch, and the next person that came in line behind me, their information ended up in the computer with our truck. So either I was leased to them, or they released to maybe I don't know.
It was showing up under our information that we had a 2017 Peterbilt with another company under our DOT stuff.
Correct.
And we're like,
They added their truck to our account. And
then they were saying, well, your fleet, and you got to change this and this because you got multiple trucks. And we're like, that's not our truck.
But
then they told him that he had to enter that information. It couldn't have just magically got there.
Well, I only found out because I was on the website, and this is what the website told me. So then I Googled the people, and they lived over by Hazard, Kentucky. They're on the other side of the world.
That's where my Duke boys live at.
No, they're Hazard, Georgia.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, I think you're right. Hazard County still is sentimental, though.
Oh, okay. It has ties.
Yes.
But anyway, so I got her name. I Googled her up. Got her telephone number and called her. Had a real good conversation with her. She knew exactly what had happened because when she was in the office, she realized something had happened when she was on the computer.
She took her paperwork up there and gave it to him and showed him, told him it was wrong.
She said, help me, guys, and they helped her. But they told her, oh, we'll take care of this, and he don't got to worry about it. We'll take care of it. Well, they didn't. And when I called them about it, they told me I should not have contacted that lady, that I had no business discussing business that was my business with anyone else. And you know what I had to do? I had to button my lip and be nice. You know what I wanted to do?
It actually took him forever to even convince the guy that he's not the one that entered these other people's information. He don't have a copy of their lease. He don't have their VIN number. We don't have that. Well, we have it now, but just because it's in our stuff. Otherwise, we don't have it, right?
I have no business knowing their information anyway. And here I've got it all.
Actually, it's probably a confidentiality breach thing because you were forced to give them to him, and now you have somebody else that's all their information. That's probably why he was like, oh, no.
But he was trying to put the blame off on me. He was the same guy I had talked to the day that I actually registered the truck and everything. He was a butthole then and a butthole later. And I don't think calling his supervisor would be doing any good. And the girl won't let me choke anybody anymore. So I'm not
want to choke somebody in the state building.
I wouldn't mind choking him a little bit.
You'd still get in trouble, though. Security would come and taser you. You can choke him, and I want to record you getting tasered.
That guy's 86 years old. I don't know if he can make it up the stairs.
He'll try. Somebody will taser you.
Them ladies in the past have always been nice and helpful and never given me any grief up there at the State House. They've just got this new guy, and it probably is. It's not a very manly job, so he looks like a manly enough guy. I'd take him. But anyway, he's probably sitting there going, he feels like a little girl working with a bunch of girls in or off politics.
If he's working for state, he's getting state pensions and everything else. He should be happy.
He's ex-military. I can tell by his bearing. He should just be happy that he came out the military and got a job that transfers over to his military pension, and he can still make some money, retire early, and then become a truck driver where he will get treated like crap like the rest of us.
By people like himself.
That's right. I hope you see that, Ryan. Because that was his name. Should I call him back and get his last name?
Owen.
Ryan, Owen. It's close. Did it sound like Owen to you?
When you were on the phone, I swear you said, hi, Owen.
Okay. We'll make him Owen, and we'll forgive Ryan. I know what he looks like.
Oh my gosh.
Anyway, we better get on home, and I'll record some more of the footage, and then we'll talk to you from that 20.